Well, if you will remember, a couple of months ago, a few months ago, I did a different type of wine, making wine from just juice that you would buy at a store. So much easier than doing it in mason jars or stuff like that. It's just tremendously easy. One of them was a white grape, and the other was a acai pomegranate, ACAI, I believe it's pronounced. Spelled acai pomegranate. And the reason I don't have them here is because they're gone. My wife really, when she tried the pomegranate first, and really liked it. In fact, when she tasted it, she said, "Wow!" So I said, "What? Strong?" She said, "Yeah, a lot stronger than regular wine." So this method is supposed to make 18 to 20% wine, 18 to 20% alcohol wine, and she said it was much stronger than the normal 12%, and she said it was tasted much stronger than the wine she normally buys, which is usually 12.5%. So anyway, that's I meant to do a taste test, but she tasted it before I could. She tasted it before I could video it. I had just a little bit left, and when you do this, it leaves a sediment on the bottom. Well, you can see that, probably cannot. Yeah, maybe you can. Leaves a sediment on the bottom, so you don't shake it up. You shake it up real good when you make it, but you don't shake it up after that. You let it sit for 30 days, and I let mine sit longer than that. It was probably 6 weeks or more, because I just forgot about it or whatever. So you can only drink down to right about there. And when you pour it real carefully so you don't slosh it and stuff, and mix that sediment in. It'll settle back down, but I mean while you're pouring it, you don't want to get the sediment and the what it is the leavings of the sugar and yeast. So the grape juice was really good. The white grape. I'm not a wine drinker. I don't really care for wine, so I'm just going by what others say. I tried it just to see what it tastes like, and it tastes like wine to me. I mean, I'm not a connoisseur by any means. However, I took it over to my daughter's house, and she and her husband are wine snobs, if you will, and he really liked the pomegranate, the acai pomegranate, whatever it's called. And he said with a little bit less sugar, he likes a drier wine, I think. He said it's a little sweet for him, but with a little bit less sugar, it would really be good. So anyway, you may want to experiment with some less sugar. Watch the first video of how to make it. Whatever sugar it uses in that is could be a little bit much if you don't like real sweet wine. So back off on that. This is the apple juice I did, and I got to say I am not impressed with that. It smells like wine. See, smell that? It smells like wine, but it's got a really weird, I'm not gonna say it's a vinegary taste, but it doesn't taste like it doesn't taste like it's right, like something happened, or maybe that's just the way apple juice tastes. My brother also did some, and it may have been apple juice, I just forgot. One of the things he tried, one of the juices he tried, he did not like. So what's next is going to be this. I don't see any reason that wouldn't be really good. Strawberry kiwi. I believe that's going to be good. So I hadn't done that one yet. So we're still looking at this one. This one's probably going to get poured out. I just didn't care for that at all, and my wife didn't. Just had a bitter, maybe more sugar in this one would do better. But the grape wine did real well. The pomegranate wine did real well. And I certainly expect the strawberry kiwi to do real well. But the apple, not impressed. It could be me. I mean, it could, because the apple I didn't open up for probably at least 2 months or more. And it could be I let it go too long. I don't know. And I may try the apple again. But anyway, I just want to let you know the pomegranate was really, really good, as told by experts, which I am not. But those that really like wine said the pomegranate was really good. So you might want to try that. I looked for it at the store. I couldn't find it again. But the strawberry kiwi and the hadn't done this one yet. Strawberry kiwi should be real good. The white grape turned out real well. If you're into that sort of thing, if you like wine or just want to, I don't like wine, but I do like experimenting, and I do like having new skills. And who knows, this could be a skill for barter someday that you might need. So that's kind of why I do things like this, even though I don't drink it. But experiment if you like that sort of thing, and give it a try, and see if you like it. Sugar, yeast, and juice. That's it. But watch how you have to pour off some of the juice so it won't, explode on you. Won't overrun on you. There's, a trick to doing this. So watch the first video. I'm linking to it right about now. And after you watch the first video, then you can see whether or not you want to do it. And try different kinds of juices. I'm going to try that one next. See, because I do like strawberry and I do like kiwi. So I may even snort a little bit of that one. All right, that's it. We're gone.